Hello guys, welcome back to Versatile Studio Max. Today's video is totally different. Today I'll show you how to share your mobile phone screen on laptop. So see the whole video. First of all, open the setting pages. So just write the setting and here you can see the setting pages open. And inside the setting pages you can see the system option. So after clicking the system option, here you can see when you scroll down, here you can see the projecting to the PC. Click this projecting to the PC option and here you can see the launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. So when you first of all visit this page, so you can see this option. So first of all you can download the wireless display app just clicking here another option. So after down or installing downloading this, you can check this option available everywhere and you can check this option first time only. So after check this, you can launch the wireless display app. Just launching this, you can just follow the few steps in your mobile phone. So just open the setting option and after open the setting option, in the search option you can search the screencast, CREENCAST. So here you can see the screencast option, just click this option and here you can see the search for display devices. So after click this search for devices, you can see the laptop location and laptop name is showing here. So click this option and start now option. After wait for 3 or 5 seconds and here you can see the whole mobile screen is display in your laptop screen. So this is the few process you can display your mobile screen on laptop. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new in this YouTube channel, please subscribe. See you soon.